5, Deputy 50, rescue 20, respond.
Child, left on Glen, right on.
Deputy Rescue 50, 1232.
And then right on Springhouse. I just don't know which way they're coming in. If you want to hit the one, the hydrant.
Fireboard ambulance 46 is on scene. Two-story single family. Nothing shown. Building is evacuated. Ambulance 46 on location, 36 Springhouse Lane. Nothing showing. Building is evacuated. 1232. Ambulance 46, thank you, sir. Got up below. According to the neighbor here, will be an oil burn. He's reporting the house is filled with smoke. Nobody's supposed to be home. We did cut the power to the burner. RC, get now. Deputy 50, 1233.
Wind 52.
Go ahead, we're coming from the driveway on Springhouse, the first left. Do you want us to grab that hydrant?
Yes, please. Wind 50's on scene, first two engines, two-story single,
So
nothing
he's
down
laying it
from
as
the
an engine?
exterior.
1250, 1230, 46, respond on 4. 546, 1230. Chief 50 on location. On the drop in the drive.
That's so dumb.
Chief 50, 1234. You got a drop at 5 inch?
Huh?
That's fine, that's
That's
152.
not how we operate. No.
Okay, 1230.
They always take the Quinn out first. They never take the engine. Stupid.
Wind 52, stand by on F5 right now. Let's figure out what we got.
Right? Yeah. 36 Springhouse. It's a rat. It loops around.
Yeah, we're down here now. Yeah, that's one. 36 is going to be further than them. Yeah. Yeah, you're in good shape.
Deputy 55.
350.
We're investigating an oil heater backfire. Can reduce the speed of anything else coming in.
Apparatus responding, 36 Springhouse Lane, 30 Deputy 50. Reduce speed, 1235.
Wait, I'm saying it on this paper here, and I'm good with that. No, it's over there. It is over there? Yeah, it's right on the...
Spot 52 is responding with 3. Copy the reduced speed. 1236.
This is saying make a lot.
It's about halfway on the block on the left. Up. Yeah.
It's 150. And 52 is on location.
Engine 52, 1236.
Ready, aim, fire.